Have you ever wondered why someone you loved, trusted, or cared about suddenly disappeared from your life? One day they were part of your daily routine, and the next, they were gone. Maybe it was a friendship that ended without explanation, a relationship that unexpectedly fell apart, or someone you thought would stay forever but chose to walk away. These moments leave us with pain, confusion, and countless unanswered questions. We ask ourselves, why did this happen? Why would Allah allow someone so important to leave my life? Sometimes we become deeply attached to people without realizing how much influence they have over our hearts, our choices, and even our relationship with Allah. A person may seem kind, supportive, or enjoyable to be around, yet over time they slowly pull us away from what truly matters. They may encourage gossip, normalize sinful behavior, distract us from prayer, fill our minds with negativity, or make worldly success seem more important than pleasing Allah. This influence often happens gradually, making it difficult to recognize until the distance between us and Allah has grown. Because Allah loves His believing servants, He sometimes removes certain people from our lives as an act of mercy rather than punishment. The Quran reminds us that Allah knows what we do not know. While we can only see the present moment, Allah sees every conversation that has not yet happened, every decision that will be made, and every consequence that lies ahead. There may be dangers hidden in relationships that appear perfectly fine today. Allah, in His perfect knowledge, protects His servants from harm long before they recognize it themselves. What feels like a painful separation may actually be Allah rescuing your faith, before it is weakened beyond what you realize. Many believers experience sadness when someone suddenly leaves their life. They ask themselves what they did wrong, or whether they could have prevented the separation. Yet not every ending is caused by your mistakes. Sometimes Allah simply closes a chapter because He knows that keeping that person in your life would bring greater pain, greater temptation, or greater distance from Him. The temporary pain of losing someone can save you from years of regret, disappointment, or spiritual decline. It is also important to reflect honestly on the people we choose to keep close. The Prophet ﷺ taught that a person is influenced by their close companions. Good company encourages patience, honesty, kindness, and remembrance of Allah. They remind you to pray, inspire you to seek forgiveness, and support you during moments of weakness. On the other hand, unhealthy companionship slowly weakens your character. Even if no one notices the change immediately, trust that Allah never removes something valuable without wisdom. If He closes one relationship, He is fully capable of replacing it with something better, at the right time. Your responsibility is not to chase every person who walks away, but to strengthen your connection with Allah, and believe that His decisions are always based on perfect knowledge, perfect mercy, and perfect love for those who sincerely turn to Him. Point 2. Allah makes room for better people. One of the greatest lessons a believer can learn is that every goodbye creates space for a new beginning. When Allah removes certain people from your life, it is not always because they are bad people. Sometimes they have simply completed the role Allah had written for them. Every person enters your life for a reason, a lesson, or a season, but only Allah knows who is meant to remain. When that season ends, Allah, in His perfect wisdom, moves people out of your path to make room for those who will help you grow in faith, character, and purpose. It is natural to grieve the loss of friendships, relationships, or companions you once cherished. Memories make it difficult to let go, and your heart may keep hoping that things will return to the way they were. But if Allah has closed that door, constantly trying to force it open, may only delay the blessings waiting ahead. Sometimes we become so focused on who left, that we fail to notice who Allah is preparing to send. There are people whom Allah brings into your life to inspire you to pray more, to seek knowledge, to become kinder, more patient, and more grateful. These are the people who remind you of Allah when you forget Him, encourage you during hardship, and celebrate your success without jealousy. Such companions are among the greatest blessings a believer can receive. Allah may remove unhealthy relationships, because they occupy the space that righteous companions were meant to fill. Many times, people discover years later that the relationships they once cried over would have prevented them from reaching their true potential. A friendship that ended may have protected them from harmful influences. A broken engagement may have led to a marriage filled with peace and mercy. A rejected opportunity may have opened the door to something far greater than they ever imagined. Looking back, They realize that Allah's wisdom was working long before they understood it. The believer trusts that Allah never replaces something with less. His timing is perfect, even when it feels slow. Every delay carries wisdom, and every new chapter arrives exactly when it is needed. Rather than chasing those whom Allah has removed, ask Him to fill your life with people who increase your Iman, strengthen your character, and bring you closer to Jannah. The right people will not only appreciate your presence but will also encourage you to become the person Allah created you to be. Point 3. Allah teaches you to rely on Him alone. One of the greatest reasons Allah removes certain people from our lives is to teach us a powerful lesson. Our hearts should never become completely dependent on anyone except Him. As human beings, it is natural to love our family, friends, and companions. Islam encourages love, kindness, and strong relationships. However, when our happiness, peace, and sense of security become attached more to people than to Allah, we place our trust in something temporary instead of the one who is eternal. People can change without warning. Someone who once promised to stay forever may suddenly leave. A close friend may drift away, a loved one may disappoint you, or someone you trusted completely may break your heart. These moments are painful, but they remind us of an important reality. Every human being is imperfect, and every relationship in this world is temporary. Only Allah's love, mercy, and support remain constant through every stage of life. When Allah allows someone to leave your life, He often creates an opportunity for you to return to Him with greater sincerity. The tears you once cried because of people can become tears of heartfelt dua during tahajjud. The loneliness you once feared can become quiet moments filled with Quran, dhikr, and sincere conversations with your Creator. What seemed like emptiness begins to fill with a stronger connection to Allah, a connection that no human being can ever replace. Many believers discover that their greatest spiritual growth begins after a painful loss. Hardship softens the heart. It increases humility, strengthens patience, and reminds us that true peace cannot be found in people, wealth, or worldly success. It is found only in remembering Allah. Every disappointment becomes an invitation to strengthen your tawakkul, trusting that Allah knows exactly what is best for you even when you cannot understand His plan. This does not mean you should stop loving people or avoid relationships. Instead, Islam teaches balance. Love people for the sake of Allah. Appreciate those He has placed in your life, but never make anyone the foundation of your happiness. Build that foundation upon your relationship with Allah alone. When your heart is connected to Him, you become stronger during trials, calmer during uncertainty, and more grateful during blessings. Always remember that Allah sometimes removes the support you were leaning on so that you learn to lean completely on Him. When your trust is placed in Allah first, no loss can destroy your hope, because you know the one who controls every beginning and every ending is always with you. Point. Every goodbye is part of Allah's greater plan. Every chapter of your life is written by Allah with perfect wisdom. Although we often judge our circumstances by what we can see today, Allah sees the entire journey from beginning to end. A painful goodbye, a broken friendship, or an unexpected separation may seem like the end of your happiness. But in reality, it could be the beginning of a far greater blessing that you cannot yet imagine. Allah's plan is never random. Every meeting has a purpose, and every farewell has a reason known only to Him. When something precious is taken away, our first reaction is usually confusion. We ask, why did this happen to me? Or what did I do to deserve this? But faith teaches us to replace these questions with trust. Instead of asking why Allah allowed someone to leave, ask what lesson He wants you to learn, and what blessing He is preparing for your future. Often, the answer becomes clear only after months or even years have passed. Many believers look back on painful moments and realize they were actually turning points in their lives. The friendship that ended protected them from harmful influences. The relationship that did not work out saved them from greater heartbreak later. The opportunity they lost led them to something much better than they had planned. At the time, they could only see the pain, but later they saw Allah's mercy hidden within it. This is one of the beautiful realities of trusting Allah's decree. What appears to be a loss today may become one of the greatest blessings of your life tomorrow. Allah never wastes your pain. Every tear, every disappointment, and every lonely night can become a means of drawing closer to Him. Through hardship, Allah teaches patience. Through separation, He teaches gratitude for sincere relationships. Through waiting, He strengthens your faith and prepares your heart for greater responsibilities and greater blessings. Nothing that happens to a believer is without purpose when it brings them closer to their Creator. The Quran reminds us that we may dislike something while it is actually good for us. And we may love something while it is harmful for us. This divine wisdom should give every believer hope during difficult times. Even when your heart cannot understand what Allah is doing. Your faith reminds you that His decisions are always based on perfect knowledge, perfect justice, and perfect mercy. So never believe that a goodbye means Allah has abandoned you. Sometimes He removes people because they have fulfilled their role in your story. Sometimes He closes one chapter because the next chapter contains blessings you could never receive if you remained attached to the past. Continue making dua, continue trusting His timing, and continue walking toward Him with patience. The one who writes your destiny never makes mistakes, and every step He chooses for you is leading you toward a future that is better than anything you could have planned for yourself.